right, here we are today. This has been sitting in the back of my lot now for a couple days, and I've been too busy to set it up. It's the new Gravely ProTurn 652. I haven't even really looked at it. I know some of the specs. The coolest thing going is it's got this full suspension cradle that you sit in, so it's going to be more comfortable for the operator. But they've really beefed up some things. The transmission's taken a step up. It's a little more industrial, like huge life out of this transmission. Also, it's got the new X Factor 3 deck that's got the slope nose. It's really going to help with the cut quality. Gravely's a great cutting machine already, but it's only going to get better. So we're going to have some background noise. People pull out mowers and make them, but I'm going to go ahead and unbox this whole thing. We're going to cut the strap, cut the plastic, open it up, gas it up, fire it up. I'll give you my first impressions. I'll try to fill in on the voice as I work through this. So here we go. The Gravely ProTurn 652. All right, let's pull this wrapping off. Oh, look at those tires. We got actually 26-inch tires on here. These are nice. Those are nice looking radials, I think, on there. Like that big size. Check this out. It's beefy. It's a good looking mower. I like those blacked out rims. Work around the roll bar here. Off comes the plastic. One more cut here. Forgot about this side. Okay, so here we go. First look at Carl's mower and saw of this Gravely ProTurn 652. It's big. That's awesome. This roll bar's got a it looks like it's got to pull some pins here. Again, this is my first time unboxing this, so forgive me if I'm a little slow at it. Pull that pin out. That's how they want us to do it. Since they have this roll bar locked in the reverse position. Transport for size. Same thing over here. These little pins aren't just pull out. There's a little tab that you got to push in. So I said Kawasaki, I was guessing an FX 801, but we actually got an FX 850. That's going to have some power right there. Okay, we'll just throw these in a cup holder for now. Now I'm going to keep it in my hand. All right, that folds up. Put these in my pocket. So the battery needs to be connected. The negative, the positive is already connected. I'll grab the camera here in a minute and I'll bring you up a little closer. What I'm looking at is this whole suspension arm with, looks like it's an aluminum block. It's insane, this is intense. Really large hydro tank overflow reservoirs. Must have a lot of fluid in there to keep these transmissions running cool. Dual tank, that's pretty normal. We'll flip this seat up in a minute. We've got the dial of height on this. I'm just gonna put this battery cable on loosely so I can unload it or roll it off of the crate. And we have, unlock this seat here. And here, flip up. Something we got going on. Oh, we got a little latch or a knob on this side of the seat. It's gonna let us go all the way back. That is a comfy looking seat. It's big, bolstered, wraps around you. And it'd be nice if there was an owner's manual. I'm sure it's hiding somewhere. We'll ignore that for just a minute. Let's get some gas in it. Get enough in here to power it off. There's a tank switch on the back here that lets you choose between right and left tank. So I'm on the right tank. which is where I want to be. Get a gallon or so, enough in here to cruise it in the shop and do our initial PDI on it. This thing is sold. Kind of excited for the new owner. Hey, let's get a little up close here. All right, there we go. Obviously the handles need to be flipped. You can see the new deck design here. This bull nose, that's gonna help a lot with airflow to really stand that grass up. We've got an adjustment on the foot deck height lift, so we can dial that to the operator's leg length. This is my dial height for my height of cut. Turn this dial, oh, that's easy. And then this pin right here, this latch right here is gonna unlock it. You can get a look at the dash panel. We got our choke right here. We got our throttle. Key switch, I think I got a spare key in my pocket, or not. Okay, we'll figure that out in a minute. Again, those huge rear wheels, those look really nice. The Kawasaki FX 850 engine. And there you can get a look there at that suspension cradle that seat is sitting on. And that's just gonna create an amazing ride for the operator. Nice fuse block, everything's all in one place, protected. Again, the second tank over here. You got your hour meter here. Also a fuel gauge, that's kind of cool. And we've got a 12-volt charger. There's a little better look at that X Factor 3 mower deck. You can see from the front end here, the suspension, there's no, sorry about that roughness, no contact there. So this whole cradle, when I get on it, is gonna be able to go up and down very easily. And then take a good look at that seat. Hey, I see where my key is, guys. It's right there on the top. Let me grab that, get it out. I don't know why I didn't catch that earlier. And with the owner's manual, let's fire this bad boy up. Set the owner's manual here. Jump up and down on a little bit. Just floating, just floating. Okay, it's gonna take a minute to start. That's interesting. It's gonna be fun. Brake off. There you go, real quick opening, unboxing of the Gravely ProTurn 652. We're gonna be able to get this at a 52, 60, and 72-inch deck. What do you guys think of that thing? Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.